Today we have the 2022 BMW i4. This vehicle has done just under 86,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, hands-free cooling and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include our climate control, which includes heated seats, our BMW assistance, navigation and charging, Spotify, Apple CarPlay, our personal assistant and our BMW ID. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our drive mode button. From here we can switch between Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.